Hi guys. Today we will be checking out the Kiata M10 massage gun. It is a powerful, all-in-one massage gun for your aching muscles. Here it is packed nicely in the carrying case which looks great in classic gray. Let's proceed to check out what is included with the Kiata M10 massage gun. Inside the casing, you will find 1x dual ballpoint massage head, along with a bag containing all the other different assortments of massage heads designed for different usage scenarios and for different massage styles. Next out is the Kiata M10 massage gun, one wall charging adapter. A user guide is included to help you know more about the device. All fitted nicely in the carry-on case. On first impressions, the Kiata M10 massage gun looks really high quality and has a solid design in matte black finishing. At the base of the product, you can simply use the switch to flick it on to power up the massage gun. Once powered on, you will notice the LED indicators of the device light up. It features a touch-sensitive control panel which you can use your fingers to scroll up and down the touch control panel to control the vibration intensity of the massage gun. At the base of the massage gun, you will see the LED battery level indicator, illuminated when turned on to indicate the current battery level of the massage gun. This will allow you to know the actual battery level of the massage gun so you know when to charge it. You can easily plug in the massage head attachment into the massage gun to start your massage session. Once plugged in, turn up the power and the massage gun will be powered up with the massage head vibrating vigorously to provide the massaging effect. Awesome! It has a solid 3,500 RPM motor speed to ensure the effectiveness of the product. Once you are finished with your massage session, simply unplug the massage head and you can interchange with other massage head attachments to fit your different aching parts of your body. It works really straightforward. Unplug the massage head when done, and plug in when you are ready to start. Each massage head will have its own specialty feature for targeted relief or for wide areas for a more dissipated massage. It has a smart heat dissipation technology which will enable the product to not overheat by ensuring good airflow. The pressure level indicator also allows for better monitoring of the device status during use. It works well to relieve common muscle aches from sports or gymming activities. Like here, I can use it to relieve my aching leg muscles with this massage gun. Just look at my muscles vibrating to help relieve aching and promotes muscle recovery. Different massage heads are built for different uses. Like this arch-shaped attachment can be used for targeted relief of my thigh muscles. The bullet point massage head allows for targeted massage relief by ensuring the power is delivered to one exact point for better effectiveness. Awesome! Works well for shoulder aches by providing a targeted relief for aching points. It is comfortable and soothing during my use of the product. There is metal flat head options for the massage heads too. It is solid and provides a powerful massage to aching areas. What I like about the attachments is that they all come with different features and massage capabilities to cater to my massaging needs. I find the Kiata massage gun a really good buy. They provide a full-fledged range of 12 different assorted massage gun heads, each catered to different usage scenarios, some for targeted relief and some for general massage uses. I find it really useful especially when I can use it to help relieve my sore muscles on my joints, shoulders and arms. It provides an ergonomic stable grip with a non-slip hand grip for ease of usage. A very modern and sleek-looking product at an affordable reasonable price. If you would like to know more about the Kiata massage gun, check out with the link in description. Thank you for watching.